In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Calendar in Chrome and access the appearance settings. To get started, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can navigate smoothly without delays. Once you're in the browser, go to Google Calendar. If you already use Google services, this should feel very familiar. Wait for the calendar page to finish loading so that all of the menus and controls are visible on the screen. After Google Calendar is open, look toward the top area of the page for the utility toolbar. In that section, find the gear icon, which is the settings control. This icon is commonly used for preferences and configuration options, so if you've used other Google tools before, it should be easy to recognize. Click the gear icon to open the settings options connected to your calendar. When the settings area appears, you'll be able to adjust different parts of how Google Calendar looks and works. From here, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll see the Preferences menu tree. This panel organizes the available settings into categories, which makes it easier to move through the options without getting overwhelmed. In that left side menu, click Appearance. This section is where Google Calendar groups the visual display preferences for your calendar. Opening Appearance allows you to access settings related to how the interface looks, which can be helpful if you want to make the calendar easier to read or better suited to your personal preferences. As you follow these steps, it's a good idea to move carefully and give each page a moment to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. If you don't immediately see the options described, check that you're on the full desktop version of Google Calendar in Chrome, since the layout can vary depending on screen size or account view. That's all it takes to open Google Calendar in Chrome, access the settings menu, and navigate to Appearance. Once you're there, you're ready to explore the display-related options available in your calendar interface. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.